guys, my name is David Kolosey. This is my 2016 BMX bike check. We're going to start from top to bottom. Starting with my bar ends, it's an ODI pink bar ends. Grips are ODI super soft and black. My bars are Shadow Voltas bars. My stem is a Fit Bico stem. My headset is a United headset. My forks are We the People Salt forks. My front tire is a Sunday tire 2.40. My front rim is a Primo 7 Series laced to a Odyssey Vandero 2. My front and back peg and my hub guards are G Sport, but my pegs are Colt Butter. My frame is a premium frame. My seat is a Stranger seat. My seat post is a Animal seat post. My pedals are Odyssey PC pedals. My cranks are Odyssey Twan bolts. My bottom bracket is a Primo. My back tire is a Sunday Ossel laced to a Shadow Raptor with a Stranger rim. And my chain is a Mission chain, and my sprocket is a Form sprocket. That's my 2016 BMX bike check. Thanks for watching.